Imagine a time when cars were more than just utilitarian modes of transport. They were rolling works of art, icons of power, style, and luxury that ruled the roads and turned every head. The 1980s were a decade of unforgettable design and raw performance. These cars weren't just transportation, they were dreams on wheels, plastered on bedroom walls and etched into the hearts of enthusiasts everywhere. It may surprise you to know that many of those dream machines you thought were out of reach can now be purchased for a reasonable amount. That's right, they're back and you can relive your dream without breaking the bank. Best of all, even though decades have passed, these iconic 80s classics still ooze style. So buckle up because this is a journey through time to a car-making era that's only just now getting the appreciation it deserves. Pick your favorite from the list and lock it down before prices soar. Let's kick things off with a car that practically defined the 1980s, the 1987 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. This car comes with a lot of amazing features and was a real game changer in the 1980s. It was named after the International Race of Champions and quickly became a speed, style, and power symbol. It made a statement with its aggressive look, those cool T-tops, and the iconic IROC-Z badge. When it first came out, it was priced at around $12,181, which made it an excellent option for muscle car lovers. Fast forward to today, and you can still find it as a collector's item for about $10,000. Not bad when you factor in inflation. What made it stand out was the 5.7-liter V8 engine that pumped out 225 horsepower. Plenty of power for an exciting driving experience. Plus, the performance-tuned suspension gave it incredible handling. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history. The IROC-Z is the perfect blend of both if you're into muscle cars or 80s nostalgia. Owning one means you're part of that legacy, reliving those iconic days of American muscle. The release of the 1986 Toyota MR2 was a milestone moment in affordable sports cars. Its revolutionary mid-engine design delivered amazing balance and agility, rivaling much pricier cars. Its lightweight build and precise handling made it a dream to drive, offering control and excitement. When it first launched at $10,999, the MR2 was a breakthrough in engineering. It still holds its value today, selling for between $8,000 and $12,000 depending on condition. Powered by a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine with 112 horsepower, it wasn't the fastest car, but it was perfect for its size and weight. Its status as a pioneer in mid-engine sports cars makes it special today, proving that driving should be about fun, not just price. The 1986 MR2 is a timeless classic that gives you pure driving pleasure without breaking the bank. And it's a must-have for any enthusiast who loves performance and character. Why settle for a modern sports car when you can own a mid-engine legend? The 1984 BMW 3 Series E30 is a true icon of timeless design and craftsmanship, offering European luxury and performance without the hefty price tag. When it debuted at $18,210, it was a premium option. Today, it's a collector's dream, valued between $10,000 and $15,000 depending on condition. The 325e model featured a 2.7-liter inline-6 engine with 121 horsepower, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. With rear-wheel drive, the E30 provided exceptional handling and an engaging driving experience. Its sharp lines and elegant design still turn heads, while the interior exudes comfort and refinement. The E30 gives you the prestige of owning a classic BMW without breaking the bank, offering vintage luxury, reliability, and driving pleasure. It's more than just a car. It's an experience that proves that true luxury never goes out of style. The 1985 Mercedes-Benz 190e is a stylish and fun-to-drive luxury sedan that embodies German engineering at its finest. Known for its bank vault build quality and advanced suspension, it set the standard for durability, comfort, and performance in its time. When it debuted at $22,850, it was a premium vehicle, and today you can find one for around $8,000 to $14,000. Powered by a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine with 136 horsepower, the 190e was designed for balanced, reliable performance rather than raw speed. Its solid construction and high-quality materials give it a timeless feel, while the smooth ride and sophisticated interior make it an actual luxury experience. The 190e is a piece of automotive history, offering vintage luxury, reliability, and prestige at an unbeatable value. Owning one means embracing a legacy of engineering excellence and timeless design. For speed enthusiasts, the 1989 Nissan 300ZX Z31 is an iconic 80s sports car that still packs a punch on the road. Its innovative technology, sleek design, and thrilling performance made it a staple of Japanese sports cars. This car was made to stand out from the retro pop-up headlights to the futuristic digital dashboard. Initially priced at $19,000, you can now find one for around $10,000 to $13,000. The 3.0-liter V6 engine comes in two versions, a 160 horsepower naturally aspirated model or a turbocharged version with 200 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The 300ZX strikes a perfect balance between performance and practicality, offering sports car thrills at an affordable price. Its unique features like the pop-up headlights and its timeless design makes it a standout in the world of classic cars. The 1989 300ZX is more than just a car. It's a nostalgic driving experience that combines vintage style with modern fun, making it a steal for anyone who loves performance and excitement. The 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT is a true underdog in the sports car world, proving that legends can come from unexpected places. With its mid-engine design, it offered performance and style that rivaled much more expensive cars. When it was released at $13,999, it was an affordable option for a mid-engine sports car, and today you can find one for between $7,000 and $12,000. Powered by a 2.8-liter V6 engine with 140 horsepower, it may not be the fastest, but its lightweight build and responsive handling made it a thrilling drive. The Fiero GT's unique styling and futuristic appeal still turn heads today, and its balance and driving experience make it feel like an actual sports car. It may not have been an instant hit, but it has earned a cult following over time. If you're looking for a fun-to-drive, affordable classic with character, the 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT is a hidden gem showcasing Pontiac's bold design and engineering. The 1989 Ford Mustang GT Fox Body is the ultimate American muscle car, blending raw power with everyday practicality. Known for its legendary 5.0-liter V8 engine, it produced 225 horsepower, giving it impressive acceleration and making it a fan favorite for street driving and drag racing. Priced at $12,375 when new, it remains an affordable classic, with resale prices ranging from $10,000 to $15,000 today. What set the Fox Body apart was its balance, muscle car performance wrapped in a lightweight build, and tame suspension that made it suitable for a daily driver. In addition to its strong aftermarket support, it's easy to see why the 1989 Mustang GT is still a steal. It offers thrilling performance, iconic styling, and practicality, making it a piece of automotive history that's as fun to drive today as ever. The 1987 Buick Grand National is a muscle car that surprises with its turbocharged power and stealthy blacked-out look. With a 3.8-liter turbo V6 engine producing 245 horsepower, it offered impressive performance that still holds up today. Originally priced at $16,617, you can find one now for around $15,000, making it an affordable piece of automotive history. Its aggressive styling and turbocharged muscle made it an iconic underdog in the muscle car world. The Grand National's blend of power, sleek design, and practicality makes it a standout classic that's still within reach for enthusiasts. Whether you're after raw performance, a unique look, or a slice of 80s automotive history, the 1987 Buick Grand National is a steal. Now let's head to Europe, where style meets sophistication. The 1986 BMW E30 3 Series is a car that seamlessly blended luxury, performance, and design, and it remains a symbol of the brand's commitment to driving excellence. The 1986 BMW E30 3 Series solidifies BMW as the leader in European sedans. With a starting price of $21,000, the E30 offered a refined driving experience with its smooth inline-six engine and rear-wheel drive. Today, it's a surprisingly affordable classic, with resale prices ranging from $10,000 to $15,000. Known for its precise steering and balanced chassis, the E30 remains a joy to drive, earning a devoted following. Its elegant, understated design and quality interior make it a true symbol of BMW's commitment to style and performance. The 1986 BMW E30 is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history that offers an exceptional driving experience and stands as a beacon of European luxury. The 1987 Porsche 944 is a classic that captures Porsche's commitment to performance, engineering, and luxury. Originally priced at $18,800, it was an affordable entry into the Porsche world, offering an accessible yet thrilling experience. Today, the 944 is available for a surprisingly reasonable price, ranging from $9,000 to $14,000, making it an attractive option for collectors and driving enthusiasts. Its innovative front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout truly makes the 944 unique by offering perfect weight distribution and exceptional handling. Powered by a 2.5-liter inline-four engine, the 944 may have modest horsepower compared to today's sports cars, but it delivers a balanced combination of power, reliability, and efficiency. With a lightweight chassis and finely tuned suspension, it offers an enjoyable driving experience, whether navigating twisty roads or cruising the highway. The Porsche 944 is the affordable Porsche, offering the prestige and driving pleasure of the brand without the hefty price tag. Its sharp, timeless design and legendary driving dynamics make it a standout. If you're looking for a sports car with historical significance, thrilling performance, and accessible pricing, the 1987 Porsche 944 is a steal that embodies the spirit of Porsche engineering. The 1982 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL is a timeless icon of 1980s luxury, blending elegant design with solid engineering. Priced at $39,500 when new, it represented sophistication and performance for discerning drivers. Today, with resale prices ranging from $12,000 to $15,000, the 380 SL offers an affordable entry into classic automotive luxury. Powered by a 3.8-liter V8 engine, the 380 SL delivers a smooth, capable drive that feels as refined today as it did decades ago. Whether cruising city streets or highways, the car balances power and reliability. The convertible top enhances the experience, offering the thrill of open-air motoring in a beautifully crafted roadster. The 380 SL's design exudes class with sleek lines, chrome accents, and an iconic grille that makes it instantly recognizable. The high-quality leather seats and wood trim reflect Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship, creating a serene and stylish driving environment. For those seeking a classic convertible that combines elegance, performance, and prestige, the 1982 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL is a remarkable choice. Its accessible price and enduring charm make it a standout in vintage luxury cars. The 1986 Mazda RX-7 captures the essence of Japanese ingenuity during the golden age of sports cars. Originally priced at $13,995, this sleek and agile machine now sells for $10,000 to $15,000, offering a unique and thrilling driving experience at an affordable price. At its core is the 1.3-liter rotary engine, delivering 146 horsepower. Thanks to its compact and lightweight design, the rotary engine provides a high power-to-weight ratio and a rev-happy character that makes every drive exciting and dynamic. The RX's lightweight build and near-perfect weight distribution result in precise handling and effortless cornering. Whether on a winding road or a racetrack, this car responds to driver input with remarkable agility, making it a joy to drive for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Its aerodynamic styling, pop-up headlights, and sporty stance are quintessentially 1980s, while the functional, driver-focused interior highlights its purpose as a pure sports car. The 1986 Mazda RX-7 is a fantastic opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts to own a classic that blends innovation, performance, and timeless design. Its rotary engine, lightweight chassis, and engaging drive make it a standout, and with prices still accessible, now is the perfect time to invest in this nimble, iconic machine. The 1985 Honda CRX Si is a brilliant example of Japanese innovation, combining practicality, reliability, and driving fun in a compact package. Priced at $9,645 when it was released, it struck a perfect balance of affordability and performance, and its current resale value of $6,000 to $10,000 makes it an attractive choice for both enthusiasts and new collectors. Powered by a 1.5-liter inline-4 engine producing 91 horsepower, the CRX Si's lightweight design ensures nimble handling, quick acceleration, and impressive fuel efficiency, making it a joy to drive on city streets or winding roads. Known for its simplicity and driver-focused experience, the CRX Si excels in the less is more philosophy. It's also a tuner's dream, with a reputation for reliability and an easily customizable platform. Whether kept in original condition or modified for performance, the CRX Si remains versatile and rewarding. With its practicality, efficiency, and engaging driving dynamics, the 1985 Honda CRX Si represents a key moment in automotive history, proving that a small car can deliver immense enjoyment. This iconic Honda is an excellent choice for an affordable classic with charm and character. The 1985 Nissan 300ZX, part of the Z31 series, is a standout from the 1980s that combines advanced technology, sleek design, and strong performance. Originally priced at $16,000, it now sells for $8,000 to $12,000, making it an affordable entry into Japanese car history. Powered by a supercharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, the 300ZX delivers smooth, turbo-boosted performance that balances everyday drivability with thrilling speed. Its rear-wheel drive setup and well-tuned handling makes it a joy to drive, whether on spirited weekend runs or daily commutes. The Z31's sharp, futuristic styling, pop-up headlights, and iconic T-top roof capture the essence of 1980s design while allowing for open-air driving. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused, featuring advanced technology for its time, including digital displays and comfortable seats that enhance the driving experience. The 1985 Nissan 300ZX symbolizes innovation and style from an era that defined modern sports cars. For enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history with turbocharged excitement and timeless design, the 300ZX is an incredible value and a true classic. The 1987 Mitsubishi Starion ESI-R stands out from automotive history, blending Japanese precision with bold muscle car aesthetics. Originally priced at $14,000, This turbocharged coupe was packed with performance and style, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. Today, it's a sought-after classic, valued between $7,000 and $11,000, offering a mix of nostalgia and affordability. With its powerful turbo engine, rear-wheel drive, and flared fenders, the Starion delivers an exciting drive and a striking 1980s vibe that still turns heads. It pioneered turbocharged sports cars, proving Japanese cars could rival their European and American counterparts. Owning a Starion ESI-R isn't just about driving a car, it's about experiencing a history that remains bold and innovative even today. The 1987 Dodge Daytona Shelby Z is an underappreciated jewel that mixes performance, history, and affordability in a sleek package. This turbocharged coupe was initially priced at $13,500, but is currently selling for $7,000 to $10,000, providing aficionados with a piece of 1980s automotive history at a tremendous deal. Its 2.2-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine generates 174 horsepower and provides exhilarating acceleration and a lightweight, nimble driving experience. Built under the famed Shelby name, it has a racing heritage and a design that stands out for its aggressive style and performance emphasis. Whether cruising the interstate or turning attention at a car show, the Daytona Shelby Z provides an exhilarating driving experience and a link to a daring age of invention, making it an excellent option for collectors or anybody looking for a classic with turbocharged flair. The 1988 Saab 900 Turbo is a standout classic that blends Swedish engineering with turbocharged performance and a unique personality. Originally priced at $21,175, it now sells for $9,000 to $14,000, making it an appealing option for those who value character and practicality. With a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 160 horsepower, it offers spirited performance, responsive acceleration, and the safety and durability Saab is known for. Its iconic design features a sloping windshield and wraparound cockpit, while the hatchback layout provides impressive cargo space and versatility. Bold and distinctive, the 900 Turbo is perfect for drivers who appreciate a car that dares to be different. It offers a blend of style, practicality, and engaging driving dynamics, making it a timeless choice for enthusiasts. The 1984 Porsche 944 is the perfect entry into the world of Porsche, offering authentic sports car performance at an accessible price. Originally priced at $21,400, this German-engineered gem now resells for $12,000 to $15,000, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a balance of style, handling, and history. Powered by a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine with 143 horsepower, it delivers smooth, responsive power, but the real highlight is its near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution and tuned suspension, ensuring precise and confident handling. The sleek design, pop-up headlights, and timeless proportions reflect Porsche's iconic style, while the driver-focused interior showcases the brand's attention to detail. For those who dream of owning a Porsche without breaking the bank, the 944 delivers thrilling performance, enduring elegance, and the unmistakable prestige of this legendary brand. The 1986 Alfa Romeo Spider Veloce is a remarkable example of Italian workmanship and timeless design, providing the ideal balance of beauty, performance, and driving enjoyment. Originally priced at $17,595, this legendary convertible is available for $10,000 to $14,000, making it an appealing alternative for anyone seeking a sleek and classy open-top roadster. The Spider Veloce, powered by a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine producing 115 horsepower, combines lightweight agility with responsive handling, resulting in a joyful and engaging experience, particularly on picturesque journeys. Pininfarina designed it, and its elegant contours, tall hood, and trademark round tail lights make it a magnificent piece of art. With a convertible top-down, every drive becomes an experience, allowing you to appreciate the views and sounds of the road entirely. The Spider Veloce is a statement of flair and passion, more than simply a vehicle, ideal for anybody who appreciates the romance of vintage Italian driving. The 1989 Subaru XT6 is a bold and imaginative classic that exemplifies Subaru's cutting-edge design and engineering in the late 1980s. Originally priced at $14,400, it was distinguished by its futuristic wedge-shaped body, pop-up headlights, and advanced technology. Today, with a resale price ranging from $8,000 to $12,000, aficionados can possess a unique piece of Subaru's experimental history. The XT6 provides assured performance on every terrain, thanks to its 2.7-liter flat-six engine that produces 145 horsepower and Subaru's famous all-wheel drive. Even after decades, its sci-fi-inspired appearance and superior inside technology set it apart. For collectors or anybody looking for a vehicle that blends AWD practicality, creative engineering, and distinctive flair, The XT6 is a unique jewel that honors Subaru's adventurous ingenuity. The 80s definitely had its own style, and this era of automotive legends is no exception. Today, these 80s dream cars are closer than ever. From jaw-dropping designs to heart-pounding performance, these classics aren't just memories, they're opportunities waiting for you. So, which one spoke to you? Let us know in the comments which gems you'd like to park in your garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing content. Stay driven and make your dreams a reality.